They said chickens couldn't think. They said we were born to be eaten. But today, the coop fights back.
This is unprecedented. The city streets have been completely overtaken by what appears to be an organized avian.
Fellow chickens, comrades in feathers, we have been fried, grilled, and mocked long enough.
They steal our eggs, our wings, our very names for their cheap jokes. No more. Today,
we will not be silenced.
We will not be caged. No more. No more. No more. No more. No more.
Let's hear it for the chickens! Power to the poultry!
Humans watching this say, don't pity us. Join us. Every creature deserves the right to live, to breathe, to be more than a meal.
First they ignored them, then they laughed. Then they started listening.
The markets are in free fall. We stand with the chickens. Power to the coop. This is a humanitarian crisis.
In that moment, even the city seemed to hold its breath. We did it.